Hey everyone, it is Miss G. I'm going to go over your next week's vocab. This is a combination of a list on point of view and text structure. So let's begin. So for point of view, today we are going to be looking at first person, second person, third person limited, third person objective, and third person omniscient. First off, what is point of view? This is the angle of considering things that shows us the opinion or feelings of the individuals involved in the situation. So in literature, point of view is the mode of narration that an author employs to let the readers hear and see what takes place in a story, poem, or essay. Alright. So for first person, we're using the pronouns I or we. An example of that would be, I felt like I was getting drowned with shame and disgrace. Then, second person point of view, this is the pronoun you. So you would see sentences like, sometimes you cannot clearly discern between anger and frustration. The next one is third person point of view. This uses pronouns like he, she, it, they, or a name. Stuart is a principled man. He acts by the book and never lets you deceive him easily. Third person limited. The narrator only knows the thoughts and feelings of one character. All characters are described using pronouns as they, he, and she, but one character is closely followed throughout the story and is typically the main character. Third person objective. The narrator simply describes what is happening to the characters in the story and does not show us anyone's thoughts or feelings. In other words, the narrator doesn't favor one character's perspective over another. So the narrator is unbiased or objective. And then finally, third person omniscient. This is a method of storytelling in which the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all of the characters in the story. This is a great way to show character development. Alright, next is our list for text structure. We'll be talking about chronological order, cause and effect, problem and solution, and compare and contrast. To begin, we have chronological order. This is the arrangement of events by time. In literature, most authors write their story as a sequence of events. When you use this method, arranging events in the order in which they occurred in time, it's called putting them in chronological order. Sticking with a chronological timeline is the easiest way for audiences to follow what happens and is generally the best way to show cause and effect. Cause and effect is a relationship between events or things, where one is the result of the other or the others. This is a combination of action and reaction. And then we have problem and solution. Problem and solution is a pattern of organization where information in a passage is expressed as a dilemma or concerning issue, and something that was, can be, or should be done to remedy that issue. So we have a problem, and then an attempt to solve that problem. Alright, and then finally compare and contrast. Comparison is a rhetorical or literary device in which a writer compares and contrasts two people, places, things, or ideas. There are numerous devices in literature that compare two different things to show the similarity between them, such as simile, metaphor, and analogy. Alright, so that is our 10 vocab words for this upcoming week. If you have any questions or are confused at all, let me know, and we will have a quiz on this on Friday. Bye!